What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a daily morning skin routine. Like once a week I'll do like a mask, and this is the one I use. This is from Medicube. Most of the products are from Medicube. This is the collagen jelly cream. I love to use this one. It leaves my face super refreshed, and I also love to use this with it. So I'll put that on, and then while that's on, I'll massage my face with this Medicube. I don't know what it's called. Oh, it's the Booster Pro. So this is what it looks like, and I just go over my face just to like massage it, like kind of it does have LED light, like a red light, which helps with like inflammation and acne and scars and all that. It promotes collagen as well. So that's what I do when I do my mask once a week, and then I just like kind of let it dry, let it sit there for a little bit, and then I go and wash it off. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and start. So first things first, I get up and I go and wash my face. I already did that. I honestly don't even have a cleanser. Actually I do, I'm lying, but I don't have it right now. Like I haven't bought it. But it is the Cerave. I'll put a picture right here so you guys can see which one it is. I love that one because it takes off all my makeup, and then when I come my room, because I wash my face over there, and then I do my skin care here in my room, I sometimes use this, sometimes I don't. It just depends if I feel like I need a little exfoliation. This is the Medicube Zero Pore Pads 2.0, and they're literally just little pads. This has lactic acid and panthenol for all skin types. This is what it looks like, and there's, how many are there in here? I don't even know. It's like in a different language. I think it's like Korean skincare. So yeah, so I literally just kind of like exfoliate. As you can see, like I have super sensitive skin. Just by doing this, it already got it all red. But yeah, I've always struggled with my skin. Most of the time I have dry skin, but I feel like I have combination because like my T-zone does get oily. So it's been a struggle all my life just to get my skin right, and I feel right now is like the best it's ever been, because I stopped breaking out. I do break out sometimes when it's that time of the month, but it's not crazy like like how it used to be when I was younger. So yeah. Okay, once we're done with that, I kind of let it dry a little bit, and then I apply my toner. Like I said, I kind of rotate products, but these are the main ones I use for the morning, which is also from Medicube, the toner. This is a triple collagen toner. They have this one. I don't know if this is just like the old packaging, but I also have this one. This is PDRN pink peptide toner. Okay, so they are different. I didn't even notice. I thought it was just the packaging, but apparently they're different. This is a this one is more like of a silky finish. It feels more silky on the skin, I don't know. And this one's more like liquidy. But this one is the PDRN peptide toner, 5 types of peptide complex. I just know I love both of them. This one, like I said, it's kind of like more silky. Like if you have dry skin, this is what I use. Improving skin elasticity for your moisturized and transparent skin. And yes, I will say that that is true for this product. This is, I don't even know, this is trash. So yeah, I either use this one or this one. Let's do this one. I just get one of these and I just put some on here. Oh, that was wet. And then I just go over my face again. It gets so red. But yeah, I still have a lot of acne scars. I've been wanting to go get like procedure done, like a facial, you know, like those facials that help with hyperpigmentation. If you guys recommend a certain certain facial, because I want like, because I know my mom gets facials and they've helped a lot. I need to ask her actually. But if you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments what is good for pigmentation. I heard like the vampire facial. I'm looking into that because I do have a lot of acne scars. So then after the toner, I go in with this Medicube PR and Pink Peptide Serum. So basically it's the same thing as this, but in a serum. A lot of times I will also go in there with 2 serums, but I don't really like to put too much. Today I'm actually gonna do 2. First, I'm gonna go in with the Triple Repair. This is from Asterwoood. I love this one. This has a vitamin C, anti-aging, collagen boost, and brightening. So I literally just do this, and a little bit goes a long way. I massage it in all over my face, and I wait for that to dry. I really try to massage it in. I also go down to your neck, you guys. That's super important. So that one kind of dries kind of quick. After that one, we're gonna go in with the Medicube PDR and Pink Peptide Serum. And I'm literally almost out. I already finished a whole other bottle before this one. Let it dry, make sure it dries, and then we're gonna go in very lightly because we don't want to put too much product. Massage it in. Believe it or not, this is the best my skin's ever been, besides like the redness and stuff, but I don't break out that much, and I feel like it's more moisturized because I feel like before I didn't really know how to take care of my skin. Since I had a lot of acne, I would use a lot of products that were very drying to like dry out the acne, which would make my skin overall super dry, and it was always like a battle with that. So it was always super dry, and now since my acne is gone, I try to use more moisturizing products, and I feel like that has helped a lot. My skin's so much more moisturized. Honestly, back then I should have been using moisturizing products because I feel like that would have probably solved the problem. Also, I forgot to mention that I do use an eye cream. Usually I put that first before any of the serums or anything. This is what I use for my under eyes at the moment. I used to use like the banana cream. What is it called? I'll put a picture right here because I can't remember right now, but this is the one I use. This is right now. This is the WNP multi-peptide firming electronic massaging eye cream. So I love this one because it kind of like when you put it, it starts to vibrate, and it feels so good under the eyes. It kind of like wakes me up in the morning, and I literally go all the way around. All the way around my eye, even in the crow's feet area, because we don't want any lines there. And then on the other eye, it honestly feels so good. If you guys come across this product, definitely get it because I am so in love with it. I will keep repurchasing it forever. But yeah, I'll use this one or the banana cream. I think it's Ole Henriksen. Okay, let that sink in a little bit. Let that marinate. I did make myself a morning iced coffee. So now that we have our eye cream, our toner, our serums, next is my moisturizer. So I do use a tinted, it says it's a tinted moisturizer. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't feel like it's very much tinted. It doesn't give really any coverage at all. It's a super sheer transparent almost, but I love the finish. I love how it leaves me kind of glowy. It kind of does even out a little bit of my skin tone since I do have a lot of hyperpigmentation. And it's this product right here. saw it on the TikTok shop and I got it because I'm like, I need a moisturizer. In the most important part that I was looking for in a moisturizer, and I always have to have an SPF, and this has a SPF of 46, so that's super good. This is the Glow Prevent. That's what it says, protect, glow, prevent, SPF 46, and it's from the brand Drmtly, but it's spelled like that. I got it, don't mind this, it's like, yeah, it's all messy, but I promise it's clean. I got it on the TikTok shop. Everything, all the products, I'm gonna be listing them in the description so you guys can go and take a look. Oh, if I have an Amazon link, I will definitely list it, but most of them are on TikTok shop. But either way, I'll still have it in the description below. So you see how it kind of gives it kind of like a glow. I love it because it's kind of dewy. This is supposed to be, oh no, I think it is a glowy one. Glow and Prevent. But I love the glow. Sometimes I literally just leave the house like this. I probably just add like some lip, like a little lippy mascara, and I'm out the house for the day. I feel it feels so lightweight. I love it. I love it. I love that it has the protection, the sun protection. And yeah, that's honestly, that's it for my skincare routine. Normally, like I said, I'll go out like this with some mascara and a lip combo, maybe some blush, and literally that's it. Oh, and then maybe a little bit of concealer, but literally that's it. Or if I actually want to be my face, I will do it over all this, obviously. But most of the time I do go super lightweight because I do live in Arizona, so I don't want to be too much makeup, you know what I mean. It gets super hot here. But other than that, it's gonna be it for my morning skincare routine. If you guys are interested in a nighttime skincare routine, definitely let me know down below in the comments. Let me know if you guys have used these products, if you guys like them, if you guys would like to try them. I have them linked below in the description bar. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.